So how to protect rows or columns in Excel? So first, gusto natin may protection or may protect natin yung total and remarks, no? So by the way, the total and remarks. Okay, example, ito kadalasan kasi ginagawa natin, automatic lang tayo highlight, no? So highlight natin lahat, then automatically we need to click the review, then protect, then input the password, no? Then okay, confirm password, okay. So after ma-protect natin, so ito po 'yon. So meaning lahat po siya may protection. So hindi po tayo maka-edit sa pati po 'yon sa score. So all we need to do is to i-unlock muna natin. So all we need to do is ito lang yung dapat may protection, no? So the total and remarks. Okay, so uh, first step, okay, so una-una is we need to highlight ito yung gusto natin ma-edit, no? Or yung ma-change or may changes. Then right click, then format cells. Okay, clicking the format cells, you need to click the protection, then you need to click unlock, then okay. Okay, then after clicking okay, so next is you need to highlight all the data, then you need to click review, then click protect ito, then input the password. So okay, confirm password or enter password to proceed, okay. Okay, so meaning yung dito is may protection na po siya, no? Hindi po siya ma-edit. So may lalabas dito na the cells or chart you have trying to change is on protected sheet. So but dito is machi-change po siya, no? So example dito is 8. So ito is 23. So dito na part is wala po itong protection, meaning pwede po siya ma-change into how many, example, palitan natin ng 50%. So pwede po tayo makapag-input ng okay, or changeable po siya. But the formula is you cannot change this part, no? This column. Okay, so you need to type, so hindi po siya ma-typean. Okay, so yun lang po. And I hope may natutunan kayo for the basic Excel protection. So yun lang, and I hope may makapag-follow and share and like. Thank you and God bless.